The OTOFIX D1 Lite 2025 scanner is a highly effective diagnostic tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professional repair shops, offering a comprehensive range of functionalities. This scanner provides bidirectional control, enabling you to interact with vehicle systems such as windows, sunroofs, and fuel pumps, significantly reducing repair time and effort. Equipped with over 38 reset functions, it facilitates troubleshooting for a vast majority of common vehicle issues, making it a versatile tool for various car models. The device can conduct full system diagnostics within 5 minutes, covering crucial systems like engine, ABS, and air conditioning, ensuring thorough vehicle health assessments. Designed with a sleek 7-inch touchscreen and powered by the Android 9.0 operating system, it promises an intuitive user experience and efficient multitasking. With coverage for vehicles from 1996 to 2025, it supports over 10,000 models, ensuring broad compatibility and reliable performance.